And now, the general weather around Alaska.
Starting off with tomorrow's fire danger forecast, you can see for Spruce, we've got some high fire danger here in the Tanana Valley and a little bit back here farther to the west there over the western interior. Otherwise, overall, still some pretty low fire conditions across the area. And due to a continuing system upgrade, satellite imagery is unavailable again today, so we'll go right to the surface maps. The forecast for tonight. Low pressure here moving up into the Prince William Sound area, keeping it showery, cloudy, and cool here all across southern Alaska. A trough bringing the same type of weather into the Panhandle, with the heaviest, breeziest conditions up here to the north, and then lighter amounts down to the south. Weak trough up here, some shower activity over the northeast interior, mostly south of the Brooks Range. Loses snow now for the Arctic coast, North Slope areas, and some clearing here over the northwest. A lot of moisture out here coming northeastward, southwest flow, spreading up to the northeast and eastward to about Atka Island with some rain. And for tomorrow, another system appears here, kicking the winds up for the central Aleutians, and rain spreading a little farther to the east, and rain ahead of this warm front, making landfall along the Yukon Delta coast in the afternoon. Maybe some light rain amounts, a little bit better chance for Nunivak Island, and increasing chances for St. Lawrence Island. Otherwise, mostly sunny here over the western interior from the Yukon Delta all the way up into the western North Slope, with still some showers up here lingering over the northeast interior, southern Alaska. Numerous showers, areas of light rain, especially in the afternoon hours here, covering all of the southern part of the state here with cool temperatures. Showers scattering out and tending to end over the northern Panhandle with some partly to mostly sunny skies down to the south. Same thing for Kodiak Island into the south side of the Alaska Peninsula. And then for the day Tuesday, here's some clouds and showers lingering, isolated thunderstorms in the afternoon possible. The shower activity mostly in the afternoon, developing over the mountainous terrain in toward the Chugach Mountains here. Kind of a cloudy, showery condition for Prince William Sound and the North Gulf Coast. Partly and mostly sunny for the southeast coast with light winds there. And sunshine here, Kodiak Island into northeast Bristol Bay, extending all the way north to the Arctic coast. And then to the west, that area of moisture slipping a little bit farther to the east here, but not too much. Most of it just grazing the coastline here all the way up to the western Arctic coast. This system pushing some wind and rain into the Alaska Peninsula, at least the western peninsula there, affecting the Pribilofs, Nunivak Island area, a break, and another system farther to the west, which on Wednesday advances eastward here, bringing more rain into the Adak-Atka area. And this initial front just washes out right along the coastline there with some areas of light showers or areas of light rain with it, and basically cloudy skies. High pressure here, partly to mostly sunny skies over the interior with light winds and warmer temperatures. A few skiffs of snow with a weak trough there. A few flurries possibly for the central Arctic coast, but nothing significant there as that moves by. And again, afternoon thunderstorms developing over the Alaska Range and the eastern interior. Otherwise, partly to mostly sunny south central Alaska in along the North Gulf Coast. And it looks like 2 days in a row of dry weather with some sunshine for the southeast coast. And for the lows tonight, in the 40s there for the Panhandle. Otherwise, 30s and 40s in the interior, 20s for the North Slope and Arctic coast, and lower 40s out here over the Bering Sea. Highs for tomorrow into the 50s and lower 60s in the interior areas, and 55 to 60 south central Alaska, especially in the Susitna Valley, and mid 50s in the Copper River Basin, or mid to upper 50s there, and 50s for the southeast coast. And the highs for the lows for Tuesday morning, 25 to 30 here, north slope to the Arctic coast. Otherwise in the upper 30s and 40s south of the mountains there through much of the interior, all the way down to lower 40s here to the North Gulf Coast, Kodiak Island, Aleutians, Pribilofs, lower 40s, mid 30s, St. Lawrence Island, and in the 40s for the Panhandle. And then the highs on Tuesday afternoon, you can see warming up here, 65 to 70 and through much of the interior with a lot more sunshine. Same thing for the Susitna Valley. Highs rising well into the 60s there with sunshine, and 50s to lower 60s Kenai Peninsula, and nice in the Copper River Basin. and 50s to lower 60s for the southeast coast.